read your book. I know I'm nothing. That's it. See, and that's very tricky. That's very tricky. This whole nothing business. No, you're not nothing. You're you. See? So if you work on it, come up with your nothing, you're wrong. Because you're you. I'm talking about the nature of you. So, and then people, they'll go through a lot of state stuff, a lot of searching, a lot of work, and there's an absence there. And they say, well, see, I'm nothing, I'm nothing. No, you just can't find you, and so you say, I'm nothing. You see? Or I'm convinced there's an absence, or I'm convinced there's, this is different. This is not the same. It's more like, like I said, like, Basu, you come home. It's like, oh, I'm home. This is, boom, oh, yes, of course. It's not a conclusion. It's not an experience. It's you. I think I've made that point, but gotta keep making it. Like I've said that for some reason, unbeknownst to me, I had incredibly, most times, incredibly pure and without drama enlightenment. There was nothing to confuse. There was no particular thinking. A tiny bit. It was like a, huh? kind of talk, or something like that. But it didn't do anything. There were no. Now I have had, and I've had without enlightenment. See, and then in sometimes even before enlightenment, in a few occasions, there's something happening, and I just ignore it. See, it's like, yeah, to yourself. It's like, yeah, okay, cool, yeah, cool, that's neat. See, but it's not truth. I knew that. I was after the first, and then sometimes I was doing, something, and had a lot of experience, but it was not that. You know what I'm saying? It was not. It didn't produce anything. It was just something I was doing. Anyway, I guess we would say my mind was rather open and freewheeling. But other than that,
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.